Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're heading into Walgreens to take advantage of so many great deals. I did get these boosters on one of my accounts. I do work with two different accounts. So I'm going to be showing you how to do the personal care transaction and the household deal transaction. We're getting laundry products super cheap this week. And as you know, if you've been a subscriber for a while, I only use digital coupons to save 75% or more on all the different products. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, and I'm going to break it down for you. I'm going to show you the transaction, the rewards you're going to use. At the end, we're going to go over the budget spreadsheet and how I enter in all the data to track exactly how much everything is costing me, my cash cost, my net cost, the whole 9 yards. Before we head inside, I do have free printable breakdowns below in the description box, so definitely take a look at that. I also have my budget spreadsheet if you guys want to be able to use it as well and get a digital copy. It has all the formulas and everything in it. That'll be below for you in the description box. So let's pop inside and snag super great deals so cheap. First, we're going to start with a transaction using this digital booster if you got it. For spend $30 on personal care and beauty products, get $7 back in Walgreens cash. Now, only one of my accounts got this. My other account did not get it. So let me know in the comments if you guys got any. First deal we're going to do is on Gillette and Venus disposable razors. So they're buy one, get one half off. And when you buy two, you're going to earn back, and when you spend 15, you're going to earn back a $5 register reward. So what we're going to do is grab one of these razors here that are $12.49 and clip the $3 off one digital coupon. Next, we're going to grab any one of these Venus disposables. I'm going to grab the ones that are $10.99. They'll be half price at $5.49. And we have another $3 off one digital coupon. Total for these is $17.98 minus the $6 in digital coupons. You'll pay $11.98. Earn back the $5 register reward makes it $6.98 for two or $3.49 a piece. It's going to wind up being significantly cheaper though because we're putting it in the transaction with that booster. So stay tuned. I'll go over that entire transaction in a little bit. Let's go to the next deal. We're also going to do the Pantene deal. These are on sale for $5 for select ones. The bigger ones are $8, but I'm going to stick to these over here. They're buy two, get a $2 register reward, and these are good through June 7th. There is also a 3 off 2 digital coupon that we're going to go ahead and clip. If you do this deal by itself, not including the booster, you're going to wind up paying $7, earning back the $2 register reward. Makes it pretty much buy one, get one free at $5 for two of them or $2.50 a piece. The last deal in this transaction, we're going to grab the Colgate. So they're $4 each. Buy two, get a $4 register reward. I'm going to grab one toothpaste and clip the $2 off one digital coupon. Then I'm going to grab one of the mouthwashes for $4 with a separate $2 digital coupon. If you want to grab a toothbrush instead, you can. So this is going to be my transaction for the personal care digital booster that I have. So total is $35.98 worth of products. After all the coupons come off, I'll pay $22.98 out of pocket. I am going to use $5 in Walgreens cash. That's the most Walgreens cash that you can use. If you have any register rewards, you can use that as well. Then we're going to earn back a $5 register reward, a $4 register reward, a $2 register reward, plus $7 in Walgreens cash. That makes your final cost $4.98 for all 6 products. Now, I'm going to use the rewards that I earn on this transaction into our next transaction. If you're looking for diapers, this is not the best deal, but it's still better than paying full price. So Huggies are on promotion for spend $35, earn back a $7 register reward. What you can do is grab 2 of the pull-ups. You're going to clip the $1 off one digital coupon. We're also going to submit to Swag Bucks for a $1 cash back on the second one. And we can submit to Ibotta for $1.50 cash back on one of them. Next, you're going to grab any of the other Huggies. You can grab the little movers here that are also 2 for $21, so grab 2. Clip the $1 off one digital coupon. Then we're going to submit to Swag Bucks for a $1 cash back on the second one. So total for all 4 is $42. You have $2 in digital coupons, so you'll pay $40 out of pocket, but you can pay with Walgreens cash or register rewards to lower your cost. Then you're going to earn back the $7 register reward, $1 from Swag Bucks, $1 from Swag Bucks, and $1.50 from Ibotta. Makes your final cost $29.50 for all 4, or about $7.37 per pack. So still cheaper than Walmart, but definitely not the best stock up price deal. So if you can wait, I would wait. The next transaction, we're going to be using this booster for spend 25 on grocery and household. You're going to earn back $5 in Walgreens cash. So we're going to be doing the laundry deal for Tide, Downy, and Bounce. In store, they're buy four, get a $4 register reward, and all the products are going to be on sale for $5.49. So I'm going to grab this Downy because it works with the $1.50 digital coupon. I did scan the Downy Unstoppables here, and it did not show that it was attaching, so that's why I'm not grabbing that product. Next, I'm going to grab the Bounce 105 count here for $5.49, and we have a separate $1.50 digital coupon. Then we're going to grab the Tide Pods included, and there is a $1.50 digital coupon. The last product is the small Tide liquids down here with another $1.50 off one digital coupon. So let's go over the total for this transaction. So we're not quite at $25 yet, so there is one more deal that I'm gonna grab, but I wanna share with you the totals of just this deal alone in case you don't have that booster and you just wanna grab some cheap laundry products. So total for all these is $21.96. After the $6 in coupons come off, you'll pay $15.96. Then you're gonna earn back the $5 register reward, makes it $10.96 for 4 products or $2.74 a piece. That's the cheapest I've seen it for quite a few months now. So that is 100% a great stock up price, and I would definitely do this deal. So these are the 5 products I'm grabbing for this transaction using the digital booster. So total is $27.95. We have $8 worth of coupons. So that would leave me to pay $19.95. I'm gonna use the $11 in register rewards I earned from my first transaction, plus $5 in Walgreens cash that I earned from my first transaction. That leaves me to pay $3.95 plus taxes out of pocket. I'll earn back the $4 register reward for the laundry deal, plus $5 in Walgreens cash from the digital booster. So my cash cost for this transaction is only $3.95. Here's a few more options of products that you can do in the household transaction if you want to mix and match. So Persil is also on sale for $5.99, and we do have a $2 off one digital coupon. So that would make this product just $3.99. Another deal you could do in the household transaction if you want is on the Brawny and Quilted Northern. Angel Soft is included as well. So they're on sale for $6.99. This one's just not tagged right here. And they're part of a promotion for buy 2, get a $3 register reward. We also have a $2 off one digital coupon for this. So I'm gonna grab one of these. And the other one is going to be on the Quilted Northern with a $1 off one digital coupon. So you can see these are tagged right here with a promotion. So after the $3 in coupons comes off, you'll pay $10.98, earn back the $3 register reward, makes them just $3.99 a piece. I'm going to be rolling the rewards I earned from my second transaction and doing this deal so I can lower my out-of-pocket cost. So we have everything for this haul that we're going to be grabbing. We have a cart full of a bunch of different products. Let's go check out. I'll let you guys know if I have any issues with register rewards, and I'll show you my receipt. Then at the end, we're gonna go home and I'm gonna enter in my data in my budget tracking software. So that way we can see exactly what my net cost is and my cash cost. So let's enter everything into my budget spreadsheet. So I'm gonna do it per transaction. It just makes it a little bit easier. So what I'm gonna do is put my date here. Oops, we're on 6/2. I cannot believe it's already June, that's crazy. Pick the store. So retail price is going to be factoring in all of the different sale prices for the transaction. So retail price for my first one is $35.98. Out of pocket, I paid $19.94, including taxes. Rewards I used was $5 in Walgreens cash. I didn't use any gift cards, no cash back. And then rewards I earned back was $18. So then we're gonna do Walgreens again. My second transaction was $27.98. Out of pocket was $10.91. Rewards I used 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. No cash back. And then rewards I earned was $9.25. And then my last transaction was $13.98. Out of pocket was $2.96. Rewards was 5, 9. No cash back. And then rewards I earned back on that was $3. So here it's going to give you the cash cost, the net cost, and percentage saved per transaction, which is great. So as of right now, my very first haul of the month, I'm at an average percentage of 56.62%. So that's how much I saved out of pocket for grabbing all of those products, which I still think is an amazing deal. Let's go over the transactions now, and I'm gonna show you everything that I wound up grabbing, my out-of-pocket cost, and the whole 9 yards. So we're back in from checkout. I did 3 transactions. I did the brownie and everything in my last transaction. I did have one digital coupon not come off, which I had a feeling was gonna happen because the Snuggle, when you scan the Snuggle product, because they just changed their packaging, it changes like the UPC codes or something. So when you're scanning it, it wasn't popping up for the digital coupon for $2 off one, but it did say it worked on the Blue Sparkle. I did get the Blue Sparkle version, but because it was the new version and not the old version, the digital coupon did not attach. So my out-of-pocket is $2 higher. I can call Walgreens customer service, just Google their phone number, and then you can call them, let them know, and they'll give you Walgreens cash in place because that digital coupon did not come off. So I want to share with you guys my transactions. We already set everything in our budget, which I'm so excited about. That has helped me so much as far as just really quickly seeing how much money I've saved, how much I've left in my budget. So here is the first transaction. So I grabbed everything that I showed you guys in the video. Here's all of the coupons that have come off. So we have $3 for the Venus, $3 for the Pantene, $3 for the Gillette, $2 for the Colgate, and $2 for the Colgate. I used $5 in Walgreens cash, paid $19.94 out of pocket, and I did get back the $7.30. So $7 is from the booster and 30 cents is from like the 1% that you automatically get. Then I did earn back all of my register rewards, which I rolled into my second transaction. So I did the household deal and grocery is like together in the same booster. So for this one, I grabbed the bounce and everything that you saw. Here's the register rewards that I used from my first transaction. $1.50s all came off. See how the $2 did not come off? That was from the Snuggle. So I rolled $2 in Walgreens cash is the max that you can use on this transaction if you're using that digital booster. Paid $10.91 out of pocket. I did earn back the $4 register reward, which I rolled into my final transaction. And I did the Brawny and Quilted Northern. I just really love the Quilted Northern. I love the Brawny as well. Those are like my top products that I love. I used $5 in Walgreens cash and paid just $2.96 out of pocket for both of those products. Now, because I grabbed all of those Tide and P&G products, I did submit over to the P&G rewards program. So you go to pggoodeveryday.com. Literally takes me 30 seconds. At the bottom, you click earn points, scroll down and click submit a receipt. You're going to put the date. You're going to put what store you went to. You're going to type in the product. So I typed in Tide, click check. Then you type in bounce, click check. If you did gain, you type that in, click check, like whatever. And then you're going to take a photo of the receipt and submit it. That's it. So I have like 1,200 points right now. I'm going to be submitting that for a $5 digital reward that I can use towards my next purchase of P&G products, which is going to be awesome. So if you guys want to see a video on like how I cash that in and how I use it, just let me know in the comments below. I'm more than happy to do that for you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to smash that like button for me. And if you're not a subscriber, you can click the face icon and subscribe to my channel completely free so you can learn how to coupon, learn these easy deals, and be able to save on everything that you buy. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.